So here it is. I figured I would do a video since there's not quite enough video of it on YouTube of a vacuum test to a two-stroke motor. This is a 2005 85cc Honda. It's in my 80cc shifter cart. Well, it's not in there now. It was, but I apparently had a crankshaft seal that I noticed when I sprayed ether around the magneto when it was running in the idle change. So I went ahead and replaced the crankshaft seal, and then I figured that I would do a vacuum test before I put it back in the cart so I don't destroy a brand new piston that I just put in it. So all I've done here, some people tell you have to make plugs and stuff, but all I did is, if you see behind my carburetor boot, I've actually made a gasket that just bolts in there, that just totally blanks it off. Just traced it out on some rubber, cut it out, marked the holes with a Sharpie, drilled it out, and bolted on behind the plate. And I did similar on the intake. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but yeah, you can see it. It's similar to the intake side, so I've blocked both those off. Now, I guess normally you would have to find a place to test your vacuum. Some guys do some stuff with the spark plug, but mine has a intake port for the vacuum, for the fuel pump for this cart, so I was able to put my vacuum pump there. And then I got it all hooked up here, got my handy dandy vacuum pump, and I've already tested it, I'm just doing it to show you. So I pumped it up to 6 inches of mercury. It doesn't really matter what the reading is as long as it doesn't leak. So I let it sit for 6 minutes and had less than a ½ inch of mercury leak. So from what I understand, that's good. So there it is. There's the vacuum test for the two-stroke 85cc Honda.